Hello English learners, welcome back to English School channel, the go-to destination for all language tips and communication. My name is Olya and today we are diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to ring the notification bell so you never miss our linguistic journey. So grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's start learning phrasal verbs. So the first phrasal verb is to break down. It means to suddenly cease to function. For example, the car broke down on the highway. The next phrasal verb is to cut off. It means to disconnect or stop the supply of something. For example, the power was cut off during the storm. Give up. It means to quit something. He didn't give up on his dreams, despite facing a lot of challenges. The next one is to get over. It means to recover from an illness or emotional distress. For example, it took him months to get over the breakup. The next one is to turn up. It means to appear or arrive. For example, I hope he turns up at the party tonight. The next one is hold on. It means to wait. For example, hold on, I'll be there in a minute. The next one is to bring down. It means to lower or reduce something. For example, we aim to bring down prices on all computers. The next phrasal verb is to cut down. It means to reduce the amount of something. For example, doctors advise patients to cut down on sugar intake. Find out. It means to discover or obtain information. For example, I would like to find out more about this new project. The next phrasal verb is to run into. It means to meet someone unexpectedly. For example, I ran into my old friend at the grocery store. To take up. It means to start or begin a hobby or activity. For example, she decided to take up painting. Turn around. It means to change direction or reverse a situation. For example, the company managed to turn around its financial difficulties. The next phrasal verb, to put up with. It means to tolerate or endure. For example, I can't put up with his constant complaining anymore. The next phrasal verb is to check in. It means to register upon arrival. For example, all guests are required to check in at the front desk. The next phrasal verb is to look up. It means to search for information in a reference source. For example, if you don't know the meaning, look it up in the dictionary. The next phrasal verb is to go through. It means to experience or complete a process. For example, she had to go through a difficult job interview. And the last phrasal verb is to settle down. It means to establish a stable life, especially in terms of relationship or location. For example, after years of traveling, he decided to settle down and start a family. And there you have it, phrasal verbs that you can use every day. I hope you found this video informative. And before you go, don't forget to check out my other language-focused videos and subscribe to English School English channel for more exciting content. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning English and see you in the next video.